Hey guys! Such a small bow will be a great accessory for a doll or toy. Shall we start? Wrap the yarn around your index finger so that the working yarn is on top of the tail. Insert the hook through the loop. Pull the yarn through the ring. Make a chain stitch. Take the magic ring off of your hand. 6 chain stitches. For double treble crochets. Six chain stitches. One slip stitch. 6 chain stitches. For double treble crochets. Six chain stitches. One slip stitch. Tug on the tail to close the hole in the middle of the work. Crochet around with slip stitches. Cut the yarn. Pull the yarn end through the last stitch. Wrap the ends of the yarn around the bow several times. Tie a knot on the inside. I hope this was helpful to you. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell so as not to miss new videos. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my Instagram. Bye.